pwede tayo maglaro ng mini golf course. All for free na po yan. And pinapakilala ko po sa inyo si Mother Gaia. Si Mother Gaia po ang mother of all life. So meron po siyang 9 floors with total of 116 steps to reach the Gaia's Peak. So sa Gaia's Peak po, matatanong natin ang 360 view ng buong park, as well as some cities of Lucena, Tayabas, and Sariaya. And matatanong din po natin ang bundok Panahaw dyan sa itaas. Sa kanya naman po likuran ni Jesus ang kanyang great backdoor warrior God. And ngayon po, proceeding na po tayo sa ating second wonder, ang magical hillside. Kung nasaan naman po ang House of Elves, Magic House, and then din po ang Reyna's Land Studio, Tunnel of Lights, and Goblin's Lake, kung saan pwede po tayo mag-try ng free boat riding. We also have Pugon sa area na to. So, first in Quezon po yan na sa actual Pugon, niluluto ang ating.
What is that?
Dinosaur skeleton.
Ang right side naman po is our third wonder, the annual rendezvous. So, this one is called Rigo's
Wow.
Kung saan pwede po natin maka-close encounter ang ating friendly snake, that's here, Bringo. Ayan. So, meron din naman po tayong mga pakinyahan na tinatawag nating Braver Cabranas. And in extension of our third wonder, we're now approaching that right side sa ating horseback riding. Kung saan pwede tayo sumakay sa ating mga horses all for free. On our left side, is our young water playground as well as the Dragon Ninja Warrior
Just the boat.
Dito tayo sa ating fourth wonder, ang Balika, kung saan naman makikita ang glacier in the playground at Goldfish Carousel. Mamaya kung tutuloy ni Tian, dito din po magaganap ang ating culture.
It's the boat, barko.
So be sure not to miss out. Meron din po tayong barko shipwreck na nagsiserve naman po ng alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks for the adults. On our left side naman po is the Cascade Brook, kung saan pala tayo mag-take ng pictures with the drones, unicorns, and fairies. So we also have fishes like koi and tilapia. So kung
May
gusto mo
picture tayo dito
maka-experience
dati,
ng fish
Adam.
feeding,
You remember?
pwede po tayo bumili ng fish food for only 30 pesos. On our right side naman is the fifth wonder, the Mother's Wonderland. And this is also the main dining po. So this one is called Cinque Terre Culinaria na nag-offer naman ng Filipino and international cuisine. So sa baba meron tayong food kiosk na nag-offer naman po ng rice, fries, burgers, and drinks. At kung may makikita po yung frogs all around the park, yan po ang ating mga trash
Say hi,
bins.
friend.
High five.
Ngayon naman po, proceeding na po tayo sa ating last side, sa Turtle Echo Chamber. So, meron po tayong mga live turtles.
Oh, it's a turtle.
Sa right side naman po natin is our sixth wonder, the Copper Kingdom, kung saan makikita ang museum, Jurassic Park, ballroom, bouncing fountain, and food deck. Sa seventh and last wonder naman po natin, ang Gagbugan, ay makikita natin ang so yan, coffee shop, latte area, massage area, and nursery room for the kids. We also have sa labas ng food kiosk, Zen garden, and mini Avila zipline sa taas. So sa zipline po, matatry lang po natin siya all for free. Balik kailangan lang po natin magawin ng 20 pesos shower haircut for hygiene purposes. So friendly reminder lang din po na ang ating pong golf cart is only 4 floors. Kaya dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tour. Maaari nyo na pong simulan na